I was disappointed there wasn't a second pass in reverse so it could shut it for them. Boy, that escalated slowly. I love how many times the roller stops, asks itself if this is normal, and then just proceeds anyway. Did the driver have headphones on or something? Surely the sound of water spraying in the back of the car was a warning. Genuine question, who's going to pay for the damage? Till Circle K is international. Given I actually work at a car wash, this behavior doesn't surprise me. It's actually really funny / nerve-wracking how people can't really seem to grasp that you shouldn't touch anything while a big, rapidly spinning, unthinking, unfeeling cleaning machine is operating. Granted, we're actually stationed around to make sure nothing like this happens. Just have to wonder what the hell made that trunk pop open. Hoping it wasn't user error. It's nice to have a stupid car which doesn't have the option to automatically open trunk. Engineer, we should put pressure sensors on all axes tied to an unexpected event emergency shutoff. Manufacturer, you know how much that would cost? Those sensors are like $10. Minimum only. That was 60 seconds of me clenching my fists whispering, come on brush. You can do it, pull that liftgate back. Come on, you got this. Push. That's weird that there are no type of pressure sensors for the car wash to stop when it comes in contact with resistance. I feel like the washer paused for a second. Hey, you left the door open, might want to do something about that. It then lowered behind the door. Hey, door is still open, probably ought to shut that. Finally, when the door was still open, FK it. I can't do everything around here. This is a Circle K car wash in Denmark, and as far as I know the driver is not in the car for the wash. No one could react to this. The reason for the trunk opening is most definitely the Range Rover's foot sensor. I hope this clears up some misconceptions I've read.